Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dima. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please click the subscribe button to join the family. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious Nigerian okra soup. Okra soup is one of the easiest meals to prepare. Like, it's very fast to prepare, and then you don't need to break a bank to prepare okra soup. So if you want to know how I made this mouth-watering, delicious, yummy okra soup that will make your man empty his account for you, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Let's start by introducing our recipe for the meal. This is my okra, already washed and cut it into box form. Some people like cutting theirs in a circle form, so let me know on the comment section how you like cutting your okra. Some people also blend their okra to make it very slimy, that slimy texture, but I want my okra still crunchy. That's why I won't be blending my okra for this recipe. I will also use palm oil for this recipe. The type of palm oil you use determines how sweet your soup will be. Always use a good palm oil that will give your soup a better taste. I'll be using beef as my protein. You can use fish, you can use chicken, any protein you want. You can use goat meat. For this recipe, I will also use cow skin, that is kpomo, already washed and diced it into smaller chunks. This is my crayfish powder. If you look closely, you see that I didn't blend it in much powdered form. I like blending my crayfish like this for soup. If you also like blending your crayfish like this, let me know. I like having that crayfish texture when I'm eating my soup. In here, I have my ogbono, okpei and a little crayfish. This will help give my soup the slimy texture that blended okra would have given it. I will also be using red bonnet pepper for this recipe. In here I have my pumpkin leaf. I'll be using it as my vegetable. If you like, you can use uziza leaf too. Uziza leaf also gives okra soup a very nice taste. In here I have my seasoning cubes and my salt. It's time to start making our okra soup. So in a neat pot, you would like to introduce your protein. I'll be using beef as earlier said, so I'll go ahead and spice my protein up. I'll be adding salt, seasoning cubes, crayfish powder, my pepper mix. You can go ahead and add any seasoning of your choice just to give your protein a very good taste. In this same pot, I'll also add my cow skin, that is my kpomo. I already cut my cow skin into a smaller chunk so that it will cook faster. I already learned how to buy a very soft kpomo anytime I go to the market so that I won't sleep in the kitchen cooking kpomo. Once I'm done spicing my protein, I'll give it a quick stir, add a little water and cover it up for it to cook for about 20 minutes. I tried as much as possible to get everything ready before starting up the video so that the video won't be too long. I'll be dropping all the recipe I'll use on the description box. I'll be adding a little water now, after which I will cover it up to cook for about 20 minutes. You don't have to add a lot of water so that your soup won't come out watery. It's already 20 minutes. Let's check on our protein. Wow, it is cooking very well. Look at the meat stock. I didn't add a lot of water. Are you seeing the results? At this point, my meat is already soft, So I'll go ahead and add my palm oil. I like adding my palm oil earlier so that it will also cook. I don't like that raw scent of palm oil when eating. I'll cover it up to cook for about 3 minutes. It's already 3 minutes. Let's check on our soup. You guys, this meat stock is it's giving me the okra soup vibes already. To my meat stock, I'll be adding my already grinded ogbono, okpei, and a little crayfish. I told you guys this ogbono will make my soup slimy, so I just added a little. If you like adding a little ogbono in your okra soup, let me know in the comment section. This is already giving me the vibes I want. You guys, do you know that if it's only ogbono soup we want to make, our soup is ready. We just add our veggies and bring it down. But let's go further and make our okra soup. If you've watched to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up. You can help me share it out so that others can see this video. If you are yet to subscribe, please feel free to hit the subscribe button to join the family. Welcome. So guys, I'm going to cover it up now to cook for about 5 minutes. The more your ogbono cooks, the sweeter your soup is. It's already 5 minutes, guys. Let's check on our soup. Look at that. Look at how it's cooking very well. So to this ogbono, I'll be adding my okra. Fam, have you ever asked yourself why okra soup always comes out sweeter the next day? I'm here to find out though. If anybody knows the reason, please drop it on the comment section. So to the okra I added, I'll be adding my remaining pepper mix. Give it a quick stir and cover it up for about 1 minute. I want my okra soup to still remain as crunchy as ever and as fresh as ever, so I will not allow it to cook for a very long time. It's just for the heat to touch the okra. At this point, you can taste for the right quantity of salt and seasoning. You guys, remember the okpei is salty, so you don't need to add a lot of seasoning to the soup. At this point, guys, the aroma of this soup is already all over my house. I hope my neighbor does not knock for me. It is time to add our vegetable. Once you add your vegetable, you turn off your gas. Your soup is ready. Have you heard? Our girl made it to the Guinness World Record. I want to use this opportunity to congratulate our girl, Hilda Bassi, for the longest cooking hour by an individual. I am really inspired. The girl cooked for 100 hours. Just her for 4 days and 4 nights. Girl, your strength is unmatched. This is just a typical example of set your goals and be inspired. You will be shocked and amazed on people that will come out to support you. Congratulations, Hilda Bassi. At this point, guys, our soup is ready. Look at our delicious, yummy okra soup. You can prepare okra soup in 1001 ways. Depends on how you play around with your recipe. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you use this my method, please drop a nice comment in the comment section. If you also make your okra soup differently, let me know how you make it in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to all your sweet comments. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Please help me share out this video so that others can see this amazing recipe. I still remain your girl, Dema NM Chukwu. Thank you for watching. One love.